I mean, in order for my engine cover to fit back on, I have to trim these little tabs off here because it doesn't fit with the aftermarket intake anymore. So I'm going to have to just cut these tabs off and then it goes back on. So yeah, screw it, I'm going to do it because I don't want to leave it off. It looks like crap. Okay guys, so if you decided to trim your engine cover like I did, be forewarned that once again, Burger Tuning doesn't tell you that when you do this, you're only going to have one mounting point that actually goes into a grommet now, which is this one. Everything else went into the old existing stock air filter. So besides this and your snorkel hooking up, your back here is going to be resting on your pier on this, just sloppily resting on it, not in any type of mounting point, which I do not like, but I'm past the point of return, so nothing I could do now. But just letting you guys know in future, there's only one point here and your snorkel holding on, so it's going to be going like this right in your engine bay. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the fireproofing or heat shield, whatever you want to call it, that I cut off the tabs and the corners. I'm going to cut it to size. I'm going to put it in here. I got to trim out a little more. All the way across. I'm going to use some Velcro to hold it in place, and I'm going to zip tie the back on so it's secure and tight. Just a little tip if you guys are looking to do this. I'll show you once I'm done. Okay, before I zip tie, I just want to show you what I'm talking about. This is holding on here, then that one tab that I showed you down here, but then look, everything else totally loose up there. Not secure at all. So I gotta find a way to zip tie the back. So I just drilled two little holes in the back of the engine cover right there and zip tied into those lines just to keep it in place. Otherwise it was moving around like crazy. Okay, so got the engine cover back on. Got it zip tied pretty secure. The way I like it, not sloppy. Everything's in place. Looks pretty good. Okay, take it for a test ride in a little bit after I eat dinner. See if I feel any difference.